Some orchids rely on having fleshy leaves to store their water all the time. And we again will find the diversity of form and variation across the orchid genera. The most common one is again the leaf of the Phalaenopsis with the thick fleshy interior. And it's very difficult, by the way, when you see these to know if it's wilting or not, because it doesn't wilt like a regular plant. It just sort of shrivels and squeezes in as the water is used up. Now, leaf form for the thick fleshy leaves will vary, and we have other forms that have thick fleshy leaves and they feel almost like they're made out of leather because they are so resistant to losing moisture that they try and grow in a fairly dry situation. Even some of the very interesting tropical forms, which tend to get a lot of water, surprisingly, will still have thick fleshy leaves. They don't dry out very much, but they do have that thick fleshy character. And we have some others that will have leaves that are even wide like a pencil and hang down sometimes several feet.